I miss the spring, I miss the fields of flowers, I miss the mountain, I miss the sounds of the larks. I only today first learned the value of spring. Where are you, my spring? Where are you, my? Where are you, my beloved? My longing grows, I can't shake it from my mind, searching for a pure white flower. I galloped across the field on my steed. The biting winter in its fury drives me on.